Hello future tech leaders, I am Sindhuja. Based on my own experience, I know that learning the right skills can shape our future. What if I say learning was as thrilled as the tech world itself? There we go. A cloud foundation, that's exactly what you will experience. From day one, you will be immersed in the interactive sessions and expert-led courses that covers most of the widely used technologies in the zone of data science to cloud computing, which brings more light to the life of a techie. I'm so excited to help you and unlock the true potential of a technology. Well, then why to wait? Let's see what it unfolds.
But now we want to discuss the document task. As soon as I created this contract workspace, there is a main agreement which is appearing in documents folder from where it is coming. It is coming from the template. The template the administrator has configured that main agreement has to be defaulted to all the users. When I go to the task, there are only one task which is available, which is just a normal initial phase, which is again a to-do task. I just need to complete it. We can complete that without any disturbance. This is a clean workspace. I am having this main agreement now. I am going to make some changes. How do I make changes? Click on View Details. I have looked at this document and I found some changes have to be done. Either I can use the drag and drop option, where you replace the file with outside file, maybe the file which you can download in your computer and make the changes and bring it back. As I mentioned yesterday, I am not sure if I mentioned enough, you use the download and upload option. Download is to download the agreement or upload is to upload from your computer. For example, I am just uploading this from computer. Choose File. Main agreement. I am just selecting randomly. Click on Upload. I am going to replace this with my file. Click on. Now I have done. I will go to the version history. This is also fine. Click on Done. As an end user, I want this to be reviewed by my supervisor. How do I do that? Click on this one. Click on Review Task. To do task is just to do some action. It does not require anything. Either start and complete will do that. Review task means the person has to review the task and it will also show the status as in review. I am going to create a review task. Main agreement review for main agreement. Finally, review changes. Please review the changes I made to the document. Who will be the reviewer? Since we do not have access, I am just selecting by S7 as the reviewer. When this has to be done, this has to be completed by today itself or you can give it time. Maybe this has to be completed by this weekend. How this will be? It will send a notification. That is the reason this one. Even we can also configure supervisor, escalation mails and other things based on your duty. The task has to be completed within this time. Is it a milestone? You are just identifying in your project. This will be a project milestone. For example, getting an approval from finance department is a milestone. That case, if you cross this as a milestone when the task is completed, then you are completed. A certain percentage of your project is completed. If I am making this review, whether the reviewer has to review or not, task is compulsory or not, that you are going to be distracted. Suppose if you are saying an approval task and your reviewer has no becomes an optional task, then there is no compulsory review. We are going to give a message to the approver. The same message. This will be visible to the approver. Click on Submit. Review task. We will click on View Task Details. Now the reviewer has opened the case and he can able to open this document and he will review the document. If he is with this one, you will just click on Complete Review or mark Complete. Review flow took by a 7 complete review, and if he made some changes and that he want to send it to you, he can use this option to choose file and upload. Whatever the changes he made it, that document will be available. I will say, for example, I download and remain and click on. He has uploaded that. Click on. Now mark run. Suppose after that we want to start again one more round and get it reviewed. He made some changes. You can do the new round or you can mark the task as a complete. The difference between review task is, in review task you will be provided an option to replace the document with the reviewed changes. That is about review task. Now I am going to create my review rules from. The supervisor has already done. Now I want to send for an approval. How do I send an approval? Create an approval task. Similarly, the same way, approval also. I am selecting by a 7. Fix the date by today. I want the approval. Again, review task. I am going to save message to the run. Please approve. He can serve me. I will go to the task. You can see approval task. Here is simply approval or delay. These two options will be there in review task. You will be clicking and then you are going to review the task. But here we are going to see approval and see. If you want to see the detail, click on View Task Detail on the left hand side.